In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask an image with any custom shape in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to turn any photo into a clean, custom silhouette using PowerPoint's built-in tools with full control over the final look. Start by bringing your photo onto the slide. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and select your image from your computer or another source available to you. Once it lands on the slide, place and size it roughly where you want. You can always adjust later, so don't worry about being perfect at this stage. Next, create the shape that will act as your mask. Go to Insert, then Shapes. You can pick any standard shape or choose Freeform if you want something totally custom. With Freeform, click to place straight points or click and drag for curves. Draw the outline of the area you want to keep. When you finish, position the shape on top of the exact part of the image you want visible. If it helps, temporarily set the shape's fill to a semi-transparent color, or turn off its outline so you can see your photo through it. The key here is to ensure the shape fully covers the portion of the image you want to retain. Now comes the most important detail: selection order. Click the image first, then hold Shift and click the shape. The order matters because PowerPoint uses the second item, the shape, to define the mask. With both selected, go to the Shape Format tab, open Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. If you don't see the option, make sure a shape is included in your selection. Intersect trims everything down to the overlap, creating a perfectly masked picture in the shape you designed. This is a permanent change, so a handy tip is to duplicate your image and shape before intersecting, just in case you want to try different versions. After the mask is created, refine the placement and scale. Drag the corner handles to resize and hold Shift to keep proportions. Move the masked image around your slide to balance your layout. Use Align tools on the Home or Shape Format tab if you need precise positioning. For even more precision, refine the edges. Select the masked image, go to Edit Shape, then Edit Points. You'll see anchor points around the outline. Drag points or their handles to nudge curves. Right-click a point to add or delete it, and zoom in for fine control. Press ESC when you're done. That's it. Your image is now cleanly masked to any custom shape, ready for slides, thumbnails, or graphics.